Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare D5 Render versus Blender Cycles. D5 Render is a powerful real-time ray tracing renderer, excelling in architectural visualization with its intuitive interface and vast asset library. Blender Cycles, on the other hand, is a robust, physically based path tracer integrated within the versatile Blender 3D suite. It offers unparalleled flexibility for complex scenes, animation, and visual effects. We'll explore their core differences, helping you decide which tool best suits your rendering needs for stunning visual output. When it comes to performance, D5 Render leverages GPU acceleration for incredibly fast, real-time feedback, allowing for quick design iterations. Its workflow is streamlined, often requiring fewer steps to achieve high-quality results. Blender Cycles, while also GPU accelerated, can utilize both CPU and GPU, offering flexibility for larger, more intricate scenes. Its rendering times can be longer, but it provides extensive control over every aspect of the render, catering to users who demand granular precision. D5 Render boasts a rich built-in asset library and a straightforward material system, making it easy to populate scenes quickly. It integrates seamlessly with popular CAD software, enhancing architectural workflows. Blender Cycles, being part of the Blender ecosystem, benefits from a vast array of modifiers, a powerful node-based material editor, and an extensive open-source community. This provides limitless customization and a wealth of free resources, supporting highly specialized artistic endeavors. For architectural visualization, interior design, and projects requiring rapid iteration and stunning realism, D5 Render is an excellent choice. Its real-time capabilities significantly speed up the design process. Conversely, if your work involves complex animations, visual effects, or requires the ultimate artistic freedom and a highly customizable pipeline, Blender Cycles is the superior option. Both renderers deliver exceptional quality, but their strengths lie in different creative domains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.